Today I'll read for you. Slow down. You're doing fine. Feels rushed this morning. There is nothing new in my surrounding to cause this feeling. The habit of doing and getting nowhere is consuming. Slow down, I whisper to myself. You're doing just fine. Breathe the freshness of this morning dew. Let the raindrops revive the heaviness in your soul. Master the mundane in your midst. The blooming flowers, the flying bees, the crippling spiders, the roaming hens with their gang of little ones. Slow down. Don't let life pass you by. Gather your energies from the north, south, east, and west. Call back the scattered pieces of yourself, of your soul. Feel the fullness of your wholeness. Slow down. Life is designed to be an enjoyable experience. Slow down. You're doing just fine. Talk to you soon. Keroy. Bye for